Check it out, we just finished up this 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 diesel edition. We took this thing from completely stock and made it a beast with exterior and interior work. We did the suspension and sound system. So I'm gonna show you exactly, guys, what we did to it. If you have a GMC Sierra or a Silverado, you know exactly what to do to it. So let's start here at the suspension. We did the 3.5-inch zone lift kit, Fox coilovers with the reservoirs, 2.5. These are adjustable. These are really nice because you can adjust it to your liking, whether you're on the road, on the highway, or on off-road trails, or on dirt roads. You can adjust it. Got the zone control arms to allow for a bigger tire, better steering, better capability. This is one of the best lift kits that you can buy for your truck, guys. Right here. For the wheels, we did these 20-inch fuel. These are beautiful right here. These are new fuel wheels, 20x9 offset, 35-inch, 1250, 20. Nitto Ridge Grappler is one of the best tires on the market. So if you guys are looking for a full setup for your truck, visit us here at Cosmos Truck Accessories, expert install, quality products, quality service to make your dream vehicle a reality. Let's look at the rear right here. Man, this truck just transformed. We took it from stock to a boss. 3.5-inch lifts. We also did the 2.5-inch Fox reservoirs here in the back. This thing's a beauty. Really changed the look of the truck. Now it's really a boss truck. Also, we did a sound system here in the back. I'm gonna show you. We did two 12s right here. Two subwoofers. This thing bangs with the epicenter. We kept the stock stereo right here. We didn't move anything. You can keep the stock stereo and you can still add sound system, bass. We also did the door speakers all around. This thing absolutely slaps. So if you guys are looking for something like this for your truck, visit us here at Cosmos Truck Accessories, expert install, quality products, quality service.
Nos las vamos a tronar.